Do you know how advanced is Mercedes-Benz in car manufacturing technologies? Today we will visit various Daimler car assembly plants. This is the Mercedes Sindelfingen plant, Germany, where S-Class and E-Class cars are manufactured. First, the body is painted by multiple robots. After painting, the urethane glue is applied on the windshield to ensure the stability of windows in case of a crash. Then the grille is attached to the front of the body for protecting the engine and the radiator. After that, the model name, wheels, and dashboard are installed. Now the luxurious S-Class and E-Class cars are ready for delivery. Here is Mercedes Rastatt plant, Germany, where the production of the B-Class electric drive car occurs. In the beginning, several parts of the body are attached to each other. Now the chassis is added to the body. After the final assembling steps, the electric car is ready to save our environment. This is the Mercedes Peking plant in China. At this factory, different Mercedes models are manufactured in China and for China. This is Mercedes Hamburg plant in France. At this plant, Mercedes Smart 4U microcars are made. Now dashboard, chassis, windshield, and several parts are assembled. After assembling is done, the car is ready to be driven. Here is Mercedes Vitoria plant, Spain. In this plant, V-Class MPV or multipurpose vehicles are produced. After different construction and inspection steps, the 7 seats V-Class MPV is ready to serve the family's needs. Next is the Mercedes Acrosworth plant in Germany. Arix, Attigo, and Aquas Mercedes trucks are made in this plant. More than 11,000 employees work in this 2,900,000 square meters factory, and about 70,000 trucks are produced annually.